In front of me is an LG F60, and today I will show you how to remove the battery from the device. So to get started, you can power off the device, and then what you want to do is take it, just gonna flip it upside down so it's still in a camera shot, and right at the bottom of the phone you have a little lip right here, so you want to wedge your fingernails in there and just kind of pry it open like so. And it should just come off, as you can see, and then you can take out the battery like so. Push it in where you have that little lip right here, as you can see. You can push it in and then out, and the battery will come out. And if you want to put it back in, assuming that place the phone in the right orientation, you have this little signs right here, the plus and minus, and just align them with the little pins right here. You can see them, so go like so. And the battery is designed also the way that you can't really put it other way because of those cutouts right here, so you shouldn't worry too much about it. And that's how you basically put in the battery and take it out. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.